Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack an Audi A6 C7. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to locate the correct jacking points in your owner's manual. This preparation prevents accidents and damage to your vehicle. Now, let's find those crucial jacking points. On your Audi A6 C7, you'll find 4 reinforced points along the side sills, usually near the front and rear wheels. These are specifically designed to support the vehicle's weight. They often appear as small, rectangular pads. Never place your jack on the plastic trim, exhaust, or suspension parts, as this can cause serious damage or instability. With your jack points identified, position your floor jack directly and squarely beneath one. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, keeping a close eye on its stability. Lift only high enough to perform your task. Once the car is at the desired height, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to the jacking point. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Audi. First, carefully remove the jack stands from under the car. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle using your floor jack until all 4 wheels are firmly on the ground. Before driving, double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to the correct torque and that all tools are cleared from around the vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.